Hello students, today we will discuss about the uses of simple future tense. The simple future tense is used to describe planned actions in the future. Okay, the simple present tense is used to describe planned actions in the future. For example, her marriage takes place on 10th June. The chief minister visits the city on 8th of this month. Okay, the simple future tense is expressed by present progressive tense. For example, he is coming to Bangalore tomorrow and he is meeting me tonight. Okay? And we use modal auxiliaries yes, shall and will to describe future actions which are not necessarily planned. Okay, dear students. So, for example, I shall meet him next week. He will come here in a day or two. Will is used with first person to express willingness. For example, I will help you as much I can. I will give you a prize if you stand first. Okay, I will punish him, whatever may happen. Shall is used with second and third person to express promise, threat, command, etc. For example, you shall get a reward. He shall not go unpunished. They shall not enter the office without permission. Okay, dear students. So you have to read this page number 75 and try to fill exercise number 9. We dash, for example, first sentence of ninth exercise. We dash deliver goods at your doorstep. What will we fill here? We shall deliver the goods at your doorstep. Okay. So, second sentence is dash he dash meet you this evening. So, what will come here? Will he meet you in will he meet you this evening? Question mark. She dash not called in the morning. So, what will come in the third sentence, students? She will not call in morning. So, like this, you have to fill exercise number 9. Okay, and now we will read about future progressive tense. Okay, dear students, for example, I shall be writing. Shall be will be plus verb की first form plus ing and the pattern of the sentence will be क्या होगा pattern बेटा I subject plus shall be or will be you can use according to subject plus shall be will be plus verb की first form plus ing. Okay, and in negative I shall not be writing. Interrogative shall I be writing question mark and negative interrogative shall I not be writing. Now we will read the uses of future progressive tense. The future progressive tense is used to describe actions going on in the future. For example, the gardener will be watering the plants when you reach there. So, in this sentence, actions going on in future, action going on in the future. I shall be taking lunch when it is 1:30 p.m. He will be writing to her next week. Okay. So, it is used also for an expected action which is to take place in the future. For example, it will be raining when you reach there. We shall be seeing the Taj during our visit to Agra. Okay. So, in exercise 10, for example, first sentence is he play against England at this time tomorrow. So what will come here? He will be playing. Will be shall be plus verb की first form plus ing. So what will we fill here? He will be playing against England at this time tomorrow. So like this you have to fill exercise number 10 also, and if you have any query then you can ask. Thank you.